Hey, what is up guys, I'm Akash Chaturvedi, and in this video we're going to learn a new way of wrapping up box. Without using glue or tape, we just require an A4 size sheet and a paper cutter. So let's get started. Try to keep the box in the center and leave equal space on both the sides. Now try to wrap the box like this, making an impression of edges on the paper. Press the folds to make them more clear and easy to use. If you find paper folding difficult, I am leaving a document in the description so that you can take a reference or you can print it and try to make the same wrap around the box. Now, as we got rough impression of the box on the paper, we can take the box out and we can fold the paper properly so that at the end we get a neat wrap around the box. To seal both the ends, we have to flatten the excess paper and we have to fold it like this. And make sure that you fold the paper towards the plain side of the wrap, not the overlapping side of the wrap. The reason you will get to know at the end. Now you have to make a triangular fold on one side of the flap, as you can see here. Same on other side. You will get something like this after folding the flaps. Now you have to make markings on the end of the overlapping line. As you can see it here, you have to make a mark on both sides. The next step is to make cuts. So for that we have to take the box out and flatten the paper, and we have to make the cuts like this. Both the cuts will be symmetric and will be moving in the same direction. Now we have to put the box back in the wrap and refold it like we did before so that we get the flaps again. And now we'll try to insert the flaps in the cut like this. The reason for not folding the flaps on the other side is that we got a pocket at the back now, and we can put visiting cards or paper clips, etc. on the back. Yeah, and that's it. This is your wrapped box without glue and tape. Thank you.